What are you doing in second floor?
I went there to meet Sandra.
For what?
Just like that. I'll go take a shower, huh?
Are you going for bath? Why now?
Do you think I'm making a mistake by taking a shower? Then I'm thinking of registration in the next week. You don't have to be worried about it. I've actually arranged the money also.
From where?
Why are you questioning me? I actually have people who looks after me. Good night. It's okay. Did you give any food to my sweet daughter?
No, I forgot.
Okay, don't disturb her. She's sleeping.
Leo, did you have anything?
There's nothing to eat at the dining table. Even you slept off. I just had a couple of drinks. That's it. Dear, won't you sleep today?
Hello.
It's me, Abhi.
What you've called this time?
Bipin came.
No, he will come tomorrow. What happened?
I want to talk to you about something serious.
What's the matter?
The thing was, I had asked for money, right?
Ah,
You just give 30 lakhs.
me? When did I give?
You didn't give me. But you have to give. If anyone asks you, you just have to lie to them. Just for me.
Why are you talking like this? What happened to you now?
You just listen what I'm saying. Otherwise, I will lose my Leo.
I'm not understanding anything.
I will talk to you later. I told you something, right? About Sandra? Artist. She is my new question.
Okay. But that is not my doubt, you know. How are you getting the money?
Till now, I don't know. But that will happen. I'll keep.
Hello, Abhirami. You've come again?
I want to see, sir.
Come. Abhirami, you want to sit here or?
I will sit here.
Okay.
Hi, Abhirami. Good morning.
Good
Sit down.
morning.
How are you? How is your husband and child?
Fine.
Anyway, I have realized how God is great and the world is round enough. Am I right? I know what you wanted to say. It's about our friendship, right? You're still thinking about it. Do you feel bad about me? I'm not harassing you. Okay, let's leave that. Abhirami, tell me something. Tell me about you. Any problems? I feel Abhirami is in tension. Come on. Speak about your problems. I will help you. Tell me.
I came with an expectation. I exactly don't know what will be the reaction. But I have one request. Sir should help me. Financially, I need a support. For a property, we have given advance. We postponed registration twice. If we don't pay, advance amount will go.
Cool down, Abhirami. Cool down. Cool down. Money. That's the problem. It's not a little thing. It is not easy to make money for everyone. But everyone wants money. Every day, every moment. If you don't have money, you are nothing. There is a proverb about it. There are problems for everyone. There is nothing bigger than money. There are a lot of proverbs about it. Abhirami, don't worry. Do you have trust in Madhav Das, right? Then why are you still crying, Abhirami? That is not a big deal for me. But Abhirami, I don't have a kind of feeling towards you. You said some wrong things to Maggie about me. I have lost interest in you. But still, you're my favorite one. I don't let my favorite people suffer. I don't like it also. Those things and all. I'll be handing over to someone. I am doing this since my childhood. Even if it is a toy, I don't leave it. It means I'm not expecting any outcome. It's a peace of mind for me. I hope Abhirami has understood this very well. I don't have much favorite people. Anyone can be my favorites right now. Or no one is going to be my favorite also. That is going to be my wish. But will you agree? I want a promise from Abhirami. That is the thing I wanted to ask. I am not going to force you. I am not a pimp to force you. Since my younger days, I have been doing these things. My mother cheated my father for so many other people. That is what I saw since childhood. Since then, it was a revenge for me. From that day onwards, my father starts changing. A lot of girls that always took over my mind. Those moments, my attitude towards women, I know about it. That is not a good thing. So that's why I didn't marry anyone. For my next generation, the pain I have suffered. But that is not the issue right now. That's you, Abhirami. Abhirami, if you agree for this, the things I'm going to give you after that, it's more than your imagination. What do you say?
I agree.
Then tomorrow we will see about it. Yeah.
I'll come.
Abhirami, you are here. I know. Because the problem you are facing right now, I know. I know that. Not at all. In married life and all, there are a lot of secrets Abhirami is hiding in her heart. You know how to go with the flow, Abhirami. Tomorrow, even though if you end the relationship with me, you still know how to survive it. You're a good girl. You're not someone like who doesn't use their brain. I am expecting something right from you that I wanted to listen now. Yesterday, I just blabbered something. I don't give away my favorite things to anyone. I still keep it very safe in my locker rooms. I will take care of it. Abhirami, for all your problems, I don't want you to beg with another person. I don't want you to go. Abhirami, you know, even though if it is your husband, Abhirami, I want to adore your beauty and your body, even today. The very moment you came back here, I wanted more of you.
Your words are always pleasing. That is the great Madhav Das speciality. I have to forget all. A person like you, I just came for help. It's my mistake. I'm helpless. The day I met you, there were two Abhiramis inside me. In that one Abhirami, I killed. Now the Abhirami who is here, you can't provoke her.
Don't underestimate me. I am possessed by you. You can ask me whatever you want. Whatever.
I don't need your courtesy. I actually came to give you a gift back. This is your gift.
Abhirami, it's precious. You can't even imagine how much worth it is.
I don't want to dream anymore. Take it.
What a shame. This is the present given to you, Abhirami. It was a present for you. I'm not such a cheap to receive it back.
It's not free, right? It's a gift from you for a physical relationship with you. Otherwise, your commission in a physical relationship. Men and women have equal responsibility. In a physical relationship, not men only enjoying. Women also enjoying men. In that case, I also used you. For that, it's a gift from me. Goodbye.
Abhirami! 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 Maggie, call her. Try to convince her. What if she does anything wrong? Maggie, you must listen to me. Try calling her.
No need. Let her at least go from here.
She had destroyed me. Abhirami. Madhava Das' destruction has been done by a girl. It is just a girl. As a woman, she's great. Don't give any hope. I don't need any hopes from you. You are a fool!
If you wanted to come here, you could have brought a doctor too.
Do you remember this place?
Then, how can I forget it? Everything here is changed.
Yes.
Why did you ask me to come here? You wanted to remember the old days or what?
No. I want you to forget all these things.
Why are you speaking like this, dear?
We must separate. Divorce.
Dear? I'm not getting your point.
You will not understand anything. You can't. Do you remember? I asked you a question. Leo, do you trust me like that? Do you remember? I told everything to you. Do you believe that? You simply said you cannot do that. I told you finished. What you think in a good way only. It's a lie about that saree's price. After all, you didn't think about that. Your love. I thought it will go. So I also didn't tell. That's my selfishness. But from that day, I destroyed myself. At least now. I just want to say the truth to you, Leo. We must separate. Divorce. I want that. I'm loving you so much. I don't want to destroy that love. While we are together, it will never going to happen again.
Dear, what are you saying? What happened to you?
I said this much. You can't even imagine.
Dear, I'm not understanding it.
Leo, please understand. What I am saying is, you can imagine. Just understand my pain. I cheated on you.
You,
Yes. I cheated on you.
Dear, why are you saying things like this? For me? A child? How can I leave it, my dear?
That's even love for me. The truth about me. If you hear from someone else, Leo, I can't even imagine that. You can give any punishment.
And the child will be with the first petitioner, father. In view of the circumstances, the petition is allowed and the divorce granted.
Can I leave? Pinky.
Mummy, when will you come?
I will come.